Play recorder. Oxygen. Check. Compasses. Check. Only electric. Clear takeoff.
It's just like an addiction, you know, you just, alright, I got it right. It's basically taking a 20-inch spike and just doing tricks on it, kind of, and it's almost, you look at it as an art, it's kind of, it's freestyle, you can express yourself just doing tricks, you know, you make your own tricks up, there's no really rules or anything, you just get on your bike and it's so crazy. There's about four different divisions of riding. There's mini ramps.
Oh. Also got pegs on them here for standing on for the flatline tricks and for grinds and stuff on the ramp.
Then you have street style.